Welcome to the April 2026 update of the Miamisburg Pool. They have been doing quite a lot of work over this last month in March. Let's check it out and see what progress we notice. With all the updates and how much they've done, at the beginning of the month, I'm like, I don't know if they're going to get done. But it looks like they've made a big push. So if they do a push like this all during April and May, heck, they might be open at the beginning of the season. It's a little more confidence now, but who knows? Once again, we'll watch, but it's good to see that the hardscape is going in. So anyways, thanks for watching. We'll see you next time. Thanks everyone for watching the Miamisburg Pool Update, April 2026. I've got more videos coming soon, so stay tuned for what's next. If you enjoyed it, please subscribe, and don't forget to like, comment, and hype this video to help others find it. Every bit of support helps the channel grow and keeps these stories coming. I post videos from events, music, and things to do all around Miamisburg and beyond, so come back anytime to see what's new. I'm Miamisburg J, sharing real people, real places, and real stories. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.